Here in this video, I want to show you intrauterine contraceptive device, IUCD, here in endometrial cavity. This is the transfer section, and you can see transfer section of IUCD, and it's also casting shadow. And here you can see both ovaries on both sides of uterus, right ovary and left ovary. So IUCD seen placed well in endometrial cavity.